Alec Peirce at the ranch, and here we are with another great idea. This was mine. This was not my wife's idea. She didn't spring this on me early in the morning when I'm dopey. This is my own idea. And again, as always, it starts with a problem. There's a problem. I'm saying this is a pain in the butt. Let me see if I can't fix the problem, make it a bit easier. At my age, I'm trying my best to make things easier, so I have this big mower. Beautiful mower, this Toro 5000, whatever it's called, SS, great mower. 60 inches wide. And does a good job. Anyway, now we have a bagger for this mower. Gonna rain. Anyway, so now to get the clippings into the bag, what you have to do, and this is the same for, I think, similar systems for most mowers, so this might work. I put this extra little piece of bungee cord on there to hold this up when I want to. But there's a plastic fitting that snaps down over top of the discharge. Snaps into that hole and comes back here. And then there's a tube, this tube, which goes down and goes onto that special fitting. And this tube comes up and into the bag, just like that, you see? Really quite simple. So, cuts the grass, spits it out. In this case, if you had the bag on, into the tube, into the bags. No problem. At the end of the day, that's where the problem occurs, where you're using the bagger. You got to keep mowers clean anyway. Go back and you can take a look at my how to renew. This is the mower that I actually completely rebuilt the deck. It's a $2,000 deck. I completely rebuilt it for like 200 bucks, and it wasn't hard. It was actually kind of fun. But here's the problem. The bags are easy because they're bags. You dump them out, you rinse them and so on. And this fitting down here is quite short, about this long. It's easy. You can reach inside and clean all the grass because the grass is a little bit wet. It certainly is wet once you clip it, even if you cut the grass on a dry day. The grass is wet when you cut it and it sticks to everything, okay? This is the problem. Here's the problem. We have here, this is over 3 feet long. Over 3 feet long, probably 37, 38, 39, whatever. And it's fine, but the grass runs through this, and you can actually see a little bit. I'm going to see there. Can you see a bit of grass in there, Dan? It sticks. It sticks everywhere. Now, over a period of time, the plastic, which was smooth when it was new, smooth like this, was smooth on the inside, but after over a period of time, it's just a little bit rough from the grass and sticks and other stuff that runs through it. So it gets rough in there. Well, now that wet grass sticks to it really, really well. And after, I've had this for a few years. Every time I go to clean this, I fill it up, I plug the end up with plastic, I fill it up with water and some soap in it, let it sit for a while, and then I get down with my arm, I reach down, I scrape it all the way around, and of course my arm, and then I go to the other end, I clean it, and it's never good enough. There's always, I just can't get to it. So I always have brushes, I've tried everything. So one day I was walking through the garage, and this was bugging me, and I look up, and hanging from the ceiling is, and you'll recognize this, because we did a video on this too, you'll recognize this. Ta-da! Yeah! My chimney sweep brush. I'm looking at it. I wonder if that's the same size as the tube. Now if you go back to my videos, you'll see we did a video on sweeping your own chimneys. Why pay some kid 200 bucks to climb up on your roof and run this down and pull it back out when you can do it yourself. So I did a video on that. But it's the same thing. Watch, okay? Dirty tube, full of grass, get it nice and wet and soapy. Right through. Pull it out. Maybe pull it out, maybe not. Push it through if you want. Right at the bottom. Have it. Back up. Perfect. Do that a few times and all the grass is out. The inside, some people have said, well, won't the inside get rough? I'll tell you what, you check your tube, I'll bet you it's rough already. You know, it doesn't matter. Now it's still rough, but clean. Yeah, all the grass is out of there. So a real simple tip, if you are having a similar problem, your grass catcher for your lawnmower, the tubes are really hard to clean. And if you have a wood stove, and if you have a chimney brush, I mean, there's a lot of ifs in here, I know that, but if it all comes together, there's a great tip. Cleaning your lawn, mower, bagger, tubes using the chimney sweep brush. That's a good title for this video. You got it? Okay. I don't know. Maybe there's something in there for you. Talk to you soon. Alec Peirce at the ranch. Talk to you. Bye-bye.